Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a no makeup look including faux freckles. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. So to start off this look, I'm going to be using my Glow Recipe moisturizer. And I love this one, it's so perfect for a light makeup look. And next I'm going to be using my Georgio Armani foundation in the shade number 5. I love this foundation so much, it's so beautiful, the finish is amazing, and the coverage is good if you're looking for that light look. And it really does look like skin, it doesn't look like foundation at all when you put it on. And next I'm going to be using my favorite drugstore bronzer, the light one from Physicians formula. It's just so good. As you can see, I've used up almost all of it. I kind of forgot I had it, but yeah, I really do love it. It's just so perfect for that light look. And next I'm just gonna be using the Glossier highlighter. And I honestly hated this at first because I'm used to blinding highlighters, but I've come to really love it, and using it with the finger is honestly the best way in my opinion, because it will move around your foundation if you try to just put it on with the stick. And it works really well with this foundation. I found probably better than any other one that I've ever had, but I really love it because it just creates that glass skin effect. As you can see, it just looks so dewy and perfect. And next I'm just going to be setting my face with the Fenty Universal blotting powder, and I really love this because it's such a lightweight powder and it's so good for the T-zone, for people that are like combo skin and still get dry, because it's not heavy at all. And next I'm going in with my tried and true Marc Jacobs Brow Wow in medium brown, and as always I'm just brushing up the hairs first, and I'm just going for a lighter fill today. I've been loving using this instead of pomade. It's just fast and easier, and the tip on it is so tiny, so it's really easy to be super precise with it. And usually I go for a taupe color, but this color works perfectly for my eyebrows. And next I'm just going to be buffing it out with the spoolie again. And next I'm going in with a blush that I forgot that I had, but it's from Benefit. It's called Galifornia, and I really like it. It's nice and peachy and natural. And I'm going over the bridge of my nose because I always love the way that that looks with the freckles. And going in with my Farmacy beeswax lip balm. And next I'm just going to be contouring my nose with my Smashbox Contour Kit. I really love this for the nose. I always use this every single day. And I'm just using that highlighter shade in that same palette just to highlight the bridge of my nose and the tip as well. And next I'm going to be just reinforcing that blush a little bit more. And I love this highlighter as well. It's called Blossom Glow and it's from Wet n Wild. Also one of my favorites from the drugstore. And I love that it's pink because it goes with this look very well. I just love throwing some highlight in the inner corner. And next I'm using my Becca under eye brightener. I really love this stuff. As you can see, it just really does the trick, but it does have to be set, so I'm just going to be using my Marc Jacobs Finish Line setting powder and that same sponge. And next is for the faux freckles, we're using Freck, which I found on Instagram. One of my favorite beauty guru / makeup artist uses it all the time. Her name's Nikki Makeup. She's literally my favorite. The only thing I'll say about this product is it is kind of pricey. I think it's $32 for the extra large version, and you do have to kind of blend it out immediately, but the results are so gorgeous and so natural, as you can see. I've been using it every single day since I've got it, and I really do love it. I'll probably buy another one when this one runs out. But yeah, I love it so much. Oh my god. And it does wash off in the shower. It doesn't really stay overnight or anything like that. And I got mine from Dolls Kill, just so you guys know. So yeah, that's basically the finished look. I am setting it with some of that powder as well, just to keep it in place and make sure none of my oils mess with it. And lastly, I'm just going to be putting on some of my Bite Beauty Agave lip balm or lip mask in lavender. Let me know what you guys think. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let me know what you guys want to see next. This is basically just as basic as it gets for me, but I really do love this makeup look so much. So please check the description for anything that I use and my social media accounts if you want to follow me. But see you guys in the next video. Bye!